everyone, this is Asa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And we have here a newly renovated house for sale which is very close to Clark International Airport and Korean Town. So we have here the spring model inside Timog Residences. Newly renovated, a very spacious once we go inside. Right here, unahin na natin, you have two vehicle carport. Ayan. Tandem kapag nag-park kayo. Pero, ang spacious niya, and this is two-story. Semi-detached din yung bahay. Right here is your access going to your formal kitchen, and then this one naman is your access sa service kitchen, as well as ito yung sa helper with own toilet and bath na rin. Kaka-finish lang nung bahay, around 2 months. So, natapos siya ng February, today is March 4, something like that. Over here, you still have access going to your service area. It's still a spacious area. Kung ulitin ko man, quick recap, this sits at 200 square meters for the lot area. Napakaganda na ginawa nilang renovation for this house. Now, for your porch, ayan, kumbaga, may welcoming area ka pa rin kahit nasa labas na bahay. Now, this is the main or highlight of this house. Pagpasok nyo ng main house, look how spacious or flowing lang yung lahat. Kung nasan si Mr. K, yan na yung pinaka living area nyo. A spacious living area, and I like the paint. Then, nagko-complement yung warm color ng chandeliers and then yung mga pin lights. This is your living area. Diba? Napaka-spacious. Asa ba ngayon? Magto 2 p.m. pero ang cool lang, ay hindi cool, it's warm. Yung mapresko pala yan. Mapresko yung bahay. Or yung kung saan nakapaso yung bahay. Usog naman tayo ng konti is yung pinaka, dining area na. Kahit pag na table, kasya up to 6 or 8, or even yung round or square, kasya yung 8 dito. Diba how spacious? Ano kasi yung owner nito, foreigner, so parang more on yan, countertop sila, and then this one, preparation area, and ito muna pala. Yung pagka-design nilang ganda. Gusto ko ng konti dito, ito na yung pinaka-formal kitchen nyo. Ito, L-shape, ito may burner ka na dito, as well as yung range hood niya, hindi pa lang nakakabit. This side, syempre, mag-wash ka ng dishes, and dito, rice cooker siguro. And since ground floor to, meron tayong this is your powder room, pero serves as na rin siya, toilet and bath. May shower na kasi. Tapos another door. Ito lang yung access. I was here kanina. Access from your formal kitchen going to your service area sa likod. Diba? Very US type yung pagka-style na, pagka-renovate ng buong bahay. Now, this side naman is the extension nung sa likod. Usually, these are, sa Filipino home, ito yung dirty kitchen nila. Pero, ito parang na-connect pa sa common area nyo. Dirty kitchen. Kung gusto nyo naman ng open, may door dito. Ayan. Ito yung from the right side. Pagpasok nyo ng pedestrian gate. Siya yun. May space ka pa dyan for halamanan. You will love this pantry or service kitchen. Daming countertop, ang daming cabinets. Ang daming cabinets, wala kayong maiiwang kalat sa labas. And look at this. Storage. Na siya, para ito na yung pinaka-pantry. Walk-in pantry na to. Right? Yeah, that's the right term. Walk-in pantry. Hanggang dito siya. Tapos palabas naman dito, ito na yung pinaka kay helper natin na may sarili siyang toilet and bath. Tapos ito yung room niya naman. May sarili siyang dyan, room. Tapos sasara ko to, ito na yung dirty kitchen niya. Ganda. Since white yung talagang buong paint ng ground floor, it makes it looks more spacious. Then, ang ganda ng pagkaayos. Pag-akit naman natin, if na-notice nyo, wala tayong bedroom sa baba. Andito lahat ng bedroom sa taas. So, pag-akit natin, eto. Right side, this is your bedroom. This is where your headboard goes. Dito tayo, Mr. K. For the rooms naman, parang baby blue. Cloudy yung...
tinge of gray.
Tinge. Okay, thank you. Tinge of gray na yung color na ginamit for this. Tapos may abang na rin for the split type aircon. Itong room spacious pa rin. You can just add yung mga nabibili ng cabinet if you want. Tapos, next room naman, siguro ito na pakita natin. Since walang ensuite yung room na yan, ito yung toilet and bath nila and shower. Pati itong room na to. Ito. This is the headboard. Tapos, thank you, may mga natural light tayo. Even yung mga flooring, pinalitan nila. So, talagang more of ni-renovate nila yung mostly lahat ng area. Tapos, ito yung third bedroom as well as yung pinaka-primary bedroom. Ito yung may toilet and bath na sarili. Yan. King size, kaya pa. And toilet and bath. Even yung toilet and bath naka-renovate din. Talaga ngayon lang siya natapos. So, the house comes unfurnished. Pero mas madali kayong mag-add ng gamit kasi nga parang neutral color lang yung pagkakagawa nila. Ay, ito yung mga gusto kong sliding doors na materials. Kasi mukha siyang mabigat pero ang gaan ng sliding niya. And then yung primary bedroom nyo, syempre you have your own balcony to enjoy the view with your neighborhood. And yan, yung kapitbahay nyo subdivision. That's it. Balik tayo sa baba to give you your quick recap. Again, for the quick recap, this house is newly renovated, located here at Timog Residences along Koreatown Film Friendship Highway. The house sits at 200 square meters for the lot area and you have 185 square meters for your floor area. This is 2 carport. The house comes unfurnished and you have 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. You have your own maid's room with own toilet and bath as well. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Azari Bicolana, Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.